In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription step by step so you can stop any future charges. To get started, what you want to do is head over to adobe.com, so the official website for Adobe, and once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto sign in, and then sign in with your account details. So once you signed in, what it's going to do is take you to the adobe.com home screen. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile account icon just up here. Then what you want to do at the top is click onto manage account, and that's going to take you to your account screen. Next, what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto plans and payments, and on this drop down menu you want to click onto plans. Now it's going to show you all your current active subscriptions. You can see I've only got one, which is for Adobe Illustrator, and what you want to do is find the subscription that you want to cancel and then click onto manage plan. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here you're going to see an option to cancel your plan, so whether you're in a free trial or a monthly subscription, so you would just select the option from here. What it's then going to do is ask you to describe your experience, so you just want to select the appropriate feedback from here for why you're cancelling your subscription, and once that's done, come and click on to continue. So it's going to take you to this screen here, and it's just going to give you some more information, but just come down and click continue at the bottom, and again they might offer you a discount or something like that, but again just come and click no thanks. And then what it's going to do is show you details of your cancellation. So at this point, you just want to click onto the confirm cancellation button. And once that's done, you should now get a confirmation like this where it says your subscription has been cancelled. So at this point, you can just go ahead and close this down. So just click the cross at the top. And then as you can see, the page is going to refresh, and you can see I now have no current active paid plans. So that is how to cancel Adobe subscription. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.